I've got this bag of rocks. They are fresh from the local landscaping company. I'm here by the tub, and we're going to use some shampoo that won't leave a residue with some scrubbies. I got a glove and some cups, and then I've lined the bottom of this tub with a very nasty towel. I just know these rocks are going to look so different after we wash them. So some of them are like very, very dirty. Yeah, this water's not hot yet, but I'm going to make it kind of like hot. Look at that. Look how different they already look. Let's go ahead and put some soup. Here. This is my second rinse of this towel that I use to wash these rocks. And then here are the rocks drying. Some of them are already starting to be dry. And then some of them are still wet because I just did it. I am outside with our washed stones that we got from the landscaping place. Thought we might take a look at some of these interesting ones. This is what I got so far for the painted rocks. I need to do some more work. I think the next thing I'm going to try is using this liquid nails and then putting some of these maybe glass pieces on there, doing like a little mosaic work. So I might be doing that. So here are the rocks that I painted for the 719 rocks. And you may recognize some of them from when I was showing you from the bucket, like Mr. Moon here. He became a glow rock. He glows. And so does this one with the glow bug. And he jingles. One of my favorites too, it's Celestial one, and this was Mr. Sparkles. So, and then this was Mr. Potato, the one that I thought looked like a potato. I had never done this before, so this was an experiment. I didn't want to paint them in a way that would cover the entire stone surface. I wanted the stone to show. So that's part of the reason why I chose this style. This one's magnetic, so it's really unique. This is a brad. Now let's go outside to the garden. I'll show you some of the other ones I made with the stones too. As tiny little seedlings indoors. And they're going to come out here to the garden, but this is some of the other things I did with the stones. So I really like, just like my other style for the hiding stones, these ones I also kept a lot of the stone showing as well. And then this is just another rock that we found on our adventures. And then so here's the other one. Soon to have plants in here. Like I said, I got my stones from the landscaping company, but you could get stones anywhere, and they don't have to be the river stones that are all circular. I mean, they could be, like, as you can see, I used to use these as markers, and I got rid of most of them. There's the raspberry still has their old stone marker as well. So you really can use any kind of stone to mark your garden. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Till next time.